Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I like to show you how to convert video to audio using Filmora software. This is really a powerful videos editing software. So this is a simple thing. Just for doing audio video to audio file, just open your Filmora software, input media file, click here. Now input your file. Okay, input done. Now input this media file to the track. Just click plus sign. Okay, here we go. So this is my video file. So now I like to convert this video to audio. Just click export. Now select your audio after converting your audio file, which name you want to select. Just type here name option. So I like to DJ. Now select your file location where your mp3 file will be saved. So I select desktop. Now here you can see there are many types of format. Just select mp3. This is already selected, so go to settings. You can change your simple rate, or you can change your byte rate. So I like 192 kbps. So okay, just click export. It will take maybe 2 or 3 minutes, or less than 1 minute, sorry. So it depends on your computer performance. Okay, I think convert finished. So close everything. So this is my video file. So now I like to show you my mp3 file. So I close this. No. Here is my mp3 file. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please hit like button, or if you want to get more upcoming video like this, so please hit subscribe button. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.